Hi, my name is Morgan from Notepad Coffee, and today I'm introducing my brother Logan and showing you how to use this machine that was invented by Maxwell Colonna Dashwood. Now, usually here at Notepad, we wouldn't ever drink pod coffee, because usually it's old and it doesn't taste too much, but people frequently use it because it's easy to make. But Maxwell came up with something, a new machine that makes very delicious coffee and quick.
Hi, I'm Logan, and I'm going to be making a decaf pod coffee. I'm going to take a decaf pod, and I'm going to turn on the machine. So now we're just going to wait like 30 seconds. So now we're going to open this and put this in. So these three buttons are like how long you want it to be. So like this one's short, medium, and long. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull a shot. Now I'm going to try the coffee. It's good. So now I'm opening it, then closing it. So now you see it's in here. So you put the coffee in the compost, and then you recycle the pot. Here's my professional taster. That's good.
Thanks for watching, and look out for Notepad Coffee.